Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job opening from Green Tree. They are hiring for associate manager position for quality assurance, and the job location will be Bangalore. To eligible for this position, you must have more than 6 years of work experience, and also you must have skill sets on due diligence, money laundering, compliance team of a financial services, and you must be certified in AML subject, and the notice period will be immediate to 1 month. So if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. And for more detailed information, you can please go through the website link. That's it in this video. For more videos from this location, you can check out the playlist. Those links are given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.